How much you got on these wheel locks?
The wheel lock is $175.
Wow.
I paid $210 for that.
Everyone's got an Ellie in their world.
Some nice shoes, hats.
Even as high school seniors.
Ooh, cool boombox. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that.
It's like I don't know where to stand. Like I'm trying
This boombox is pretty cool. Such a pain in my butt though.
I actually got that in San Francisco at the game, but I'm not really a Giants fan. I just went to the game and they
Sorry.
got it at the game.
Oh, that's cool.
Thank you. Okay, bye.
You know what I mean? Yeah.
Fortnite one? Ooh. That's fun. Squishy.
What do you have on the speakers? 2 for 4. The 40 for. You want some?
How much are they?
$40.
Each?
No, put it in.
Oh, okay.
That's a good price.
That's a decent price, yeah.
What y'all doing with the cameras?
YouTube.
I record him while he steals people's stuff.
Yeah.
Nice.
We both have YouTube channels.
Oh, cool.
That's cool.
It's not, but my kids would like it.
Oh, squish.
I think I forgot my. Oh no, I have my wallet. Yeah, look them up, Paul. They might be worth it, honestly.
Oh, that, yeah.
I don't have my phone, so you're gonna have to look it up. I left.
They were $5. Did you do $5?
Cool.
No, $4?
5 for 2 of them.
$5 for 2 of them. Yeah.
No, other way.
Not worth it. We can get the whole bag for it all. Toothpaste. Al, you need a toolbox? We can probably go. I'm gonna ask him if he'll do 10 on this stupid stereo.
Did you get anything there?
No, I don't know. Any chance you do, I'm gonna lowball you a little bit. $10 on your Sony stereo that you have out there, the boombox.
Oh, that's actually. You mean the big boom?
The big boombox, yeah.
Let me tell you who you can ask. Right there about the boombox. He's asking about the boombox.
I was wondering if you'd take $10 for it.
15?
Yeah, that's the.
How's it sound?
It sounds great. You
That sounds great?
Yeah, it's these come off. The speakers
15.
come off.
Yeah, I
'cause
see
we
that.
wired it so you could put speakers.
All right, I'll do
It's got
15.
6
I'll do
CDs
15. It's
and
pretty
the
cool.
cassette, which I don't know if people still. It's got the radio.
It's a cool throwback.
It is a throwback.
Do you have 5 change?
I do.
Okay.
Problem is everybody's got, you know, Spotify
Yeah,
and
and
their phone,
Alexa
so,
and all that stuff,
But
so no one like needs it.
I mean,
For nostalgia's sake, I think it's
you
cool.
never know. Yeah,
Yeah.
it works great.
I'm gonna walk down the street with it on my shoulder, like old school.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, what's up, Chris? Yo, Paul. What's up, bro?
That is right.
I have 2 of those.
We go ballin'. What are these? Guess.
I ended up with 2.
Guess what they're worth.
You look good with that, Dave.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
I think $10 for a coach purse is pretty good. I mean, coach purses are about 150 brand new. I mean,
Is that as heavy as it looks?
No. This is a nice toolbox. That one?
I don't need any more toolboxes. I've got enough.
genuine coach. He did pay.
Gotta watch out for him. He lets you sneak off.
So.
I do.
Be obvious or anything. The biggest item.
And you can put batteries in it, so you can.
I know. I can actually be this guy. All right. Thank you. Cat, Jelly Cat. Ooh, this is cool. Instantly cool. Is that from Great Wolf Lodge? No, Build-A-Bear. That's cool. This is Build-A-Bear. Polly got a Cabbage Patch.
Thank you.
Your favorite.
I'm still an ass.
Yeah.
We just fall down a lot, so.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Looks real.
So I stay every night after coming.
It's Behringer too.
How much is the stuff in
Yeah, that's what that scripture thing
Yeah.
Kayla was paid for like last week.
You were with her last week? What was last?
But,
Oh, last
she told me
time.
about it.
They have an old one that's
And
cool.
so to make use out of it,
You don't like plush?
I buy it when there's nothing else left, I guess.
Yeah, that's kind of where I'm at.
And there's like I don't see anything else that's good. But
These
cars
squirrels
is
are
not
kinda
what I'm
cool.
going for.
His neck is busted.
I don't see.
A plug-in socket costume.
I get it.
It's an interesting thing to dress up as.
What is it? Plug and socket. That has some adult undertones in that.
Yeah.
The kids don't understand.
How much are these? How much are these?
2 for the babies, 50 cents for the stuffed animal.
Two-
What makes these chickens
2 each for the
Philadelphia
babies?
chickens? Why are they Philadelphia chickens?
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't think we ever made our way through the book.
It's interesting. I'm from Philadelphia, so I'm not.
Oh.
How much are the
I'm
books?
just
50 cents.
I'm traveling through here.
I got it.
I wonder
In Beverly
what
Clear.
they do to these Philly chickens.
I like your socks.
Oh, yeah, those are right up your alley.
It's
aren't
a
they?
cool dog.
Yeah.
She loves dogs and she
4 or
loves
5.
Yeah.
6 bucks.
Thank you.
If I would wear dog socks, and I'm wearing a dog t-shirt right now.
There you go. Dogs are the best. What kind of dog do you have?
A black lab.
Black Labs.
Oh, cute.
I have a Siberian Husky.
Oh, beautiful.
I have 2 big ferocious dogs.
Chihuahuas.
I was gonna say, does that mean they're like itty bitty whatevers?
I mean,
I think
they
dogs is a stretch, actually.
will
Rats.
scare you.
They probably are. Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, they're little rats.
Eyes.
Wait a
1, 2,
minute. I resemble
4, 5.
these guys.
I have $6 here.
All right. Wait, yeah.
Nothing. Books.
Enjoy the
Got it? All right.
Yeah, thank you.
All right.
Yeah, and then
Thank you.
thank you guys.
Would you like a bag?
Sure.
That's a baby.
You didn't buy the Halloween costume?
No. Minions. Oh, it's all empty.
I wish my kids were here because I told them I was going to set up a table out there and let them sell ice cream. Under my business.
The round table and chairs.
Round table and chairs.
Kitchen table. Big wooden table.
Well, this would be kind of handy.
You give
Oh, it's beat up.
Just, I don't know.
All in one, outdoor.
Oh, sorry. You looking at that?
Yeah,
My bad.
Get my wife on the phone. We may get it.
Really good.
How much is it?
I think it's
Mom.
$50 for it. It sells for $200 and some odd dollars on, and it's brand new.
Is that a turkey fryer?
No, it's an air fryer.
Oh, wow.
So you can do a 20-pound turkey in that.
That's legit.
And no fat, no oil, no
Wow.
grease.
So it is a turkey fryer.
That, yeah.
Turkey fryer or chicken fryer or any kind of fryer.
Would you take 35 for?
No, he wouldn't.
Do, 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 do,
Because he
do.
bought it for 70. So he figured he'd go down to 50. That was fair.
Yeah, I made a lot of money the first time, but looks like most of it's gone.
If this is what I think it is, this could be a home run.
200 and
Oh, really? Interesting.
I'll check it.
he got it
I
on.
guess it also depends on how much he wants for it.
Pac-Man Blast. Sell for 10 bucks a piece, 10, 15 bucks a piece.
No, Kevin bought one of these, but it was a pack-man.
Yeah. But yeah, they're
She's really selling your mom on that turkey for her.
Kenmore is nice. Life is short. Eat dessert first.
Tú sabes que el último no funciona, mami. ¿Qué le vamos a dar a mujer? ¿Sí, verdad?
Me dijo que sí,
So you want to take the table now. Oh, the bushy one?
How much is this water filter? Hey, you're off the roller, huh?
Yeah, well,
Congrats.
for the most part.
Last time you were in the roller.
These are, because these are so expensive, I'd probably do 30 for the whole thing.
I'll pay you to take that thing.
Would you do 20 just for them?
I'm just joking. That's my baby.
Okay. How much are these?
$2 total?
Okay, so 22. That'll work.
They sell for
Your
10.
umbrella,
22. There you go.
your umbrella with the stand and
Oh yeah,
everything.
Mom, that's a good, interesting find.
That's all mine.
Oh, sorry.
Mommy. Yeah, Paula, your camera.
Make me an offer.
You do 5 for everything?
Sorry.
Oh, you're fine. These are nice little sockets. I don't want glass.
Dave loves glass.
I don't want it. Oh, I can go ask him. In the orange shirt, right? Yeah, I'll ask him. How much you got on these wheel locks?
The wheel lock is $175.
Wow.
I paid $210 for that just a month ago.
It's a little high.
It's a
Yeah.
lifetime warranty. Up to
Yeah.
get one lock taken, they will charge you $150
Wow.
for one lock.
Yeah, I
So
gotcha.
I bought it because my mother-in-law's,
Uh-huh.
she took it to a dealership and they didn't put the wheel lock back in there.
Yeah, I gotcha.
And
So you had to get the
I
kit.
had to buy a
Yeah.
set to get it off, change her brakes.
Makes sense, yeah.
What that red thing is?
Al, you might want that.
Wheel lock kit.
$175. What? Wheel locks?
200 new. Like I said, I use it.
Morning. How are you doing today? Simpsons Monopoly, huh? Is that game pretty fun, that Ascension game?
It's a fun game. We just get version of Monopoly. So
Yeah.
maybe also more and get version.
Okay. Would you do $3? 3?
What is it?
It says 5. Would you do
It's
3?
My wife prices. I
Okay.
can check with her.
Okay.
Why she said different price for this one. Yes.
Well, yeah, that's why I wanted to do 3, because you had 3 in the other ones. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Enjoy.
Yep.
Yeah.
Ascension? Me either, but I like these kind of expand, like card game type things, deck building. Could be cool. Hey guys, thanks for coming with me to that yard sale. I'm still carrying my boombox around. It's actually really heavy. I'm gonna put it down 1 second. Okay, so that giant boombox I paid 15 bucks for. It's only worth around 50. So it really wasn't the best buy. I bought it for nostalgia's sake, and I don't really want to ship it because it's huge. I guess I could. At the end of the day, I figure I can either keep it or sell it locally for 30, 40 bucks. So I'll make a little money on it, but definitely not a great buy. I also got a Build-A-Bear and a little baby doll. The baby doll my girls took because they collect those little babies that are super realistic looking. And the Build-A-Bear sells for about 20 bucks. And then I went to a sale with, now all this was with Paul the Philly Flipper and my parents, so quite a crowd shopping today. Which made it interesting. But I ended up getting a few little arcade games that sell for about 10 bucks a piece and a water filter system that I paid, what did I pay, $20 for? It looks like those filters only sell for 20 bucks a box. I did get 2 of them, so that'll double my money and then minus fees. I'll make a little money on that, and then the actual water filter thing itself sells for another 30 or 40. So really my profit will be there. I will make some money on it. Paul found a little Olympus point and shoot, and he told me that Olympus point and shoot cameras are supposedly really good. He already sold his for 100 bucks. Let me show it to you. I'm going to show it to you on my phone. Isn't that professional? Anyways, Olympus Stylus Epic Zoom point and shoot camera. He sold for 100 bucks. He paid less than $3 for it, I think. So I didn't know about those. I normally skip point and shoot cameras, but I'll have to keep my eye out for Olympus, and you should too. At the final game, I got that Ascension card game. It's like a deck building game. I paid $3 because I had no idea what it was worth. All his other games were priced at $3, so I figured, hey, why not give me that one for $3 as well? And he agreed to do that, and it actually turns out that it was the Ascension game and like the Dark Crypt expansion which ends up being worth around $60. So I have that listed now on my eBay for 60 bucks, and hopefully it sells. That definitely was the find of the day, I think. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Go ahead and put down in the comments what your favorite find of the day was. And if you want to see me make maybe a terrible life choice on some sports cards, check out this video next.